Welcome to Chakri Views Precisely Premium, your trusted YouTube channel partner for unlocking top investment strategies to help you make money in 2025. Are you ready to transform your financial goals into reality? We bring you expert advice, actionable insights, and winning strategies to help you succeed in trading and investments. Don't wait, the time to take action is now. Your one-stop destination for top-notch trading insights and consistent profits. Subscribe to our channel for exclusive updates and premium strategies that deliver real results. We offer intraday and positional calls tailored for maximum profits, expert guidance in stocks, commodities, and indices, helping you master the art of trading while minimizing risk. Your success is our mission. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, we'll help you achieve your trading goals. Connect with us for personalized guidance and step-by-step support in your trading journey. Call and connect with us today at 8778899819. Empowering you to achieve financial freedom in 2025 and beyond. Let's take a look at the performance for 6th January 2025. We successfully executed trades in stocks like Can Fin Home and Crompton, along with commodities like gold, silver, and Comex Silver. The highlight is gold brought in an impressive profit of 21,000 rupees. Total profit for the day, 62,765 rupees. January 2025. We circulated multiple trade views in Comex Silver, Comex Gold, and silver across intraday and positional strategies. Comex Silver and Gold brought positive returns of 1,700 rupees and 1,500 rupees, showcasing the precision of our strategies. However, the day closed with a marginal overall loss of 2,650 rupees, reminding us that trading is about the long-term journey, not just a single day. 8th January 2025 brought numerous opportunities. The key highlights are precise entries, calculated exits, and a strategy-driven approach. But the day concluded with a total loss of 60,467 rupees. It's all part of the market journey. The entire day went against our views because of our Indian rupee weakens further against the USD dollar. Losses teach resilience, and Chakri Views is here to bounce back stronger. On 9th January 2025, market saw multiple opportunities with trades executed across commodities, equities, and crude oil futures. Comex Silver and Comex Gold presented calculated trade entries and exits. HDFC Life and Copper showed potential gains despite market volatility. Crude oil stood out as a highlight and met the first target with a notable profit of 11,300 rupees. While the day closed with an overall loss of 27,380 rupees, these are stepping stones in the trading journey. Losses are part of the game, and with the right strategies, they pave the way for larger gains. Let's dive into the trading ideas of 10 January 2025 that contributed to an impressive profit of 69,520 rupees for the day. Sell position of Syngene entered at 878 rupee, hit target 2 with an exit at 862.5 rupees, delivering a strong profit of 15,500 rupees. However, the second trade entry of MCX Silver at 92,000 rupees achieved target 1, exiting at 90,911 rupees, contributing a stellar profit of 32,670 rupees. A sell entry of MCX Gold at 78,300 rupee hit the exit point of 78,107 rupees, generating a massive 19,300 rupees in gains. A sell position of MCX Copper at 825.4 rupees exited at 824 rupees, adding another 3,500 rupee to the day's total. The net profit of 69,520 rupees reflects the precision and success of Chakri Views trading strategies across NSE F&O and MCX futures. presenting the weekly summary as of 11 January 2025. Let's break down the performance of the week with a total of 47 calls made, achieving a total profit of 41,787 rupees. Here's how the week unfolded. The star performer was Ambuja Cement, delivering a flawless 100% hit ratio, earning a profit of 3,330 rupees. On the flip side, calls in Axis Bank, Can Fin Home, Crompton, and HDFC Life faced some challenges, with a few losses impacting the overall buy-side performance. Syngene led the way with a perfect 100% hit ratio, generating 15,500 rupees in profits. Gold showed significant action with 7 calls and a 43% hit ratio, adding 22,000 rupees in profit on the buy side and 19,300 rupees on the sell side. Silver had 6 calls with mixed results, achieving 25% hit accuracy, but still managed to limit net losses. Copper, crude oil, and COMEX gold demonstrated resilience, securing notable profits across their respective trades. COMEX silver achieved a 50% hit ratio, wrapping up with 3,400 rupees in net profits. The overall revenue for the week amounted to 41,787 rupees from both buy and sell calls combined, reflecting the precision and strategy of Chakriviews. To join this profitable journey, subscribe today for NSE F&O Insights at just 4,999 rupees or explore MCX Futures strategies for 7,777 rupees. Don't forget to stay updated with Chakriviews across platforms. Keep trading, keep succeeding. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter to stay ahead of others, empowering you to achieve financial freedom in 2025 and beyond. Kind attention to all, equity investments involve 100% market risk. It's crucial to consult your financial advisor, as I am not a SEBI registered analyst. This channel serves educational purposes only, and the admins are not liable for any financial losses you may incur. By being part of this group, you acknowledge the inherent risks of the stock market, MCX, and any kind of investments, and no legal claims will be entertained.